how to start their Discord, how to download it, and honestly use one of the greatest communication apps we have available to everyone in need, whether you're a streamer like myself or a heavy gamer, whether you want to build a school club or just connect with the worldwide community and things that you have niches in. And so simply how to get started, you're going to go to discord.com. You're going to download, obviously for Mac, if you have a Mac, or if you have a Windows, it should say download for Windows. And then you can open it in your Discord browser, or it'll actually be down here on your dock. And so I already have Discord downloaded and everything. Obviously you're going to want to hit log in and create your own account. But once you have it downloaded, you can go ahead and open Discord up. And simply what Discord allows you to do is come together as a community and have different rules or different communication skills that allow you to connect, whether you like sports betting, you're gaming, or you just want to talk to your friends really easy and quick and efficiently. And so I have a server, as you can see here. I'm already getting Discord notifications. But simply, I'm into a little bit of sports betting. Obviously, I do a little bit of streaming as well. And so I'm just going to kind of break it down what it looks like when you first open up Discord. And so this is actually our server. I'm going to get to that toward the end, so stick around later so you can get the code to end up joining my personal Discord with my friends. We typically do streaming on PC, PS5. We host every Thursday our own podcast. And so just stick around to the end and I will show you that invitation code. You have to create a server. And so you can add a server here. You can either join one that's already been created. You can create your own server by clicking create my own and inviting your friends and figuring out what kind of template best fits your group. And so like I mentioned before, whether this is like a friend hangout community group, whether you're studying for, this hard class social media, or just whether you want to be a gamer or you have really similar interests in gaming, you can create your own server here. But like I stated earlier, I already have my own server created. And so what that looks like, all the servers that you join are going to be down here on the left side. And so here's just a few of the servers that I've joined or either, helped create. And so this one here is a sports betting one. Wherever that we may come from, we all join up and link here and kind of post our best bets essentially, and try to figure out what is going to hit for tonight if you're interested in that. And so there's different channels. These are called channels all the way down here on the left side. And these are really great for specific community tabs. So as you can see, here's a general chat for just everybody that is in the Discord itself, that allows them just to text, to chat back and forth, kind of talk amongst themselves. This is free plays that the owner of the server actually has that he drops occasionally. Here's other sports channels, whether you're an NBA fan, whether you're an NFL fan, a soccer fan, tennis fan, and so on and so forth. And then these are just further explaining or showing or demonstrating the different types of channels. And so for those of you who are wondering, how do I actually set up this channel and get started? You would simply click the drop down menu at the top left, scroll down to create channel. And then there have a few different channel types. There's text channel types for GIFs, emojis, different text messages that you want to just insert into a specific channel. They have voice channels where, like I was stating earlier, if you have like a movie night with people or you just want to get together and, kind of chill, watch the stream together. If one of your friends are streaming, you can all sit inside of the voice channel or voice chat. And just watch along while they share their screen. There's forums here for discussions. There's announcements as well for, different updates that you want to kind of give the server or the channel or your Discord server. And then there's also stages for hosting events or panels or even Q&As. Let's say you want to start streaming yourself and link it through your Discord. All you would have to do is go to the settings down here at the bottom. You go down to, so if you want to link your Twitch account or any other account, social media platform like Twitter, TikTok, Steam, or Twitch, like I stated earlier, you're simply going to hit the arrow button. And there's plenty of connections here in this box. You would simply click on Twitch. You'd enter your information. It's going to ask you to authorize your Twitch account. Now we can close this, go back to Discord. And as you can see in the settings, there was my Twitch that was connected. And in our server, we actually have a specific channel that shows all of us that are streaming at the exact time and date. As you can see, there's many times that we're obviously going live. We're always going live as a community. We're just trying to, reach a broader audience and just, really entertain the world. And so as you can see in this channel here, it shows exactly when, other people are going live in our Discord. And it just automatically does it. You don't have to come in here and stay, hey, everybody, I'm live. It'll actually do it for you. Simply down here, there is voice chat. So when we're having movie nights as a community, we'll simply join this voice chat here. Open up the room. You can invite your friends. You can choose an activity to play amongst each other. There's YouTube you can watch together. There's a few actual games that you can play, and then here's Nitro. It's a subscription-based activity. However, Discord is free to use, which is one of the best reasons why it's so awesome. But if you have the extra little money to spend, or you're really getting into it and you really enjoy the platform, you can subscribe. I think it's like $2.99 a month for the base version of Discord, and then you get, allows you to get access to a few more video or a few more games, as well as boosting your server. And essentially boosting your server, you get this awesome, cool, exclusive crystal badge for your community. You also get special roles that are only available to those Nitro boosters. And then you get a few more miscellaneous things for boosting your server in general. In totality, this is a really great communication tool for anybody that is looking to connect with people or peers around them, whether you're, like I said, you're into streaming, or just simply want to get on a voice chat call and talk with your friends or talk with people that you have similar interest in. And it's just a great way to connect. It's a great way to stay involved with the community and be really involved. And so thank you. This is my time for demonstrating how to use Discord. Definitely check out Discord. At the end, I did say I was going to let you guys in our Discord server. I actually have two Discord servers that I created. One for our actual school group that I was in a while ago. It's not really too updated, but we call it Trade Gang. We are similar investors that have really interested mindsets in that and trying to grow in investing. And so this is one group that I started earlier in one of my classes this semester. Invite people. Here's the code. You can copy this code here and simply join the Discord link here, or simply type in the server name, which is Trade Gang. And then secondly, this is the big community that I'm in with a bunch of my other friends, called 777. If you type in 777 on add server, you can obviously join a server here, input that paste code right in here, and then simply join server, and it'll pop up and you'll be inside of the server. That has been my time. Thank you so much. This is Discord.